Guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to tell you all how good my 10s is lasting in 2021 and is it worth buying or holding this year or not. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So the very first thing that I want to clear with this video is that I'm not going to go deep down into the performance, because even after a couple of years this device is holding damn good. Still it's responsive, still it works so fast, so I'm not going to go and talk about that because it's great. So what should we talk about then, right? Well, display should be fine or should be the first topic, because I feel as Apple just upgraded a few things in iPhone 12 Pro display, you might be curious how it lasts in this phone. Well, so far so damn good. I never had that left out feeling because of this OLED panel. My friends are using iPhone 12 and to be honest with you, I didn't feel that there was a night and day difference between both the devices. Still in 2021, colors look sharp and vibrant, and also this panel makes justice to your eyes, not like Samsung phones, but yeah, if you compare it with new iPhones to this only cannot be the reason to leave this phone behind. And brightness, yes, it's still an issue for me. Like when you are in direct contact with the sunlight, yes, display do feel less, but other than that, 2021 is not gonna kick 10s in this department. So after display, I feel like I should also talk about the grip about this phone. This is the kind of phone that I can be carefree and use it without a case. Well, I can explain my point here. So thanks to the aluminium rails in the side, this provides great grip to this phone, and also as this phone is thick, you can be confident to hold it without a case, and that's what I did every day. Everything was going good, but if you have sweaty hands like me, you wouldn't be happy because 10s backside is full of glass, and well, sweaty hands plus glass equals to... I hope you get my point here, but don't get me wrong, the grip in this phone is good, like you can be free, but still I would recommend or prefer some matte finish in the back like we see in 11 Pro or even in 12. Next topic that I feel like is talking is feel of the phone in the hands. Thanks to the heavy weight, this phone even in 2021 feels like $1 million phone. I cannot believe that this phone was released in 2018. I mean, just the feel of it and the touch response, the glass panel in the back, all still makes this phone looks new. Another small thing that I want to focus on is the speaker of this phone. I mean, it's not like louder than Samsung Note 20 or even like the 12, but it feels clear, like loud and clear. I hope that makes sense, but I kind of like the speaker, where even in high volume you can hear that purified sound. And also I have used 10R before, but that used to feel like big in hand for me, but this is the perfect size for me. Like I can almost touch the whole screen with my one hand, almost, which feels good in hand. One big thing that I absolutely hate about this phone, I mean hate, is battery life. And straight away I can tell you this, if you are someone who don't care for screen or for battery life, you can go with iPhone 12 or even 11, because 10s is not gonna last whole day. I usually need to charge this phone twice because I play games too, but still 4 to 5 hours a day is what I'm getting with this, which is just fine, but still my 10R was way better than this. And also if you're curious how the game looks and feel, well, too damn real and fast. I play COD like every day and whoa, it looks and performs great. But coming back to the battery life, yes, it is something that I wasn't happy with, because I feel like when you are paying so much for a premium device, you expect a great battery performance, but in this case, it's not happening here. Next topic is camera, and well, camera, as you all know, I have used 10R before, which is just like this only, but here we have two lenses, and even in 2021, the quality and class of this lens is above par. Like for me, I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's above par. Even after 3 years, this doesn't make you feel out of the others. You can still be in line with best smartphone cameras, and this is just my opinion. I can proudly use this camera even in 2021 or even in 2022. I can talk all day, but I feel that can take whole day long. But if you have to say one thing, that portrait mode is not up to the mark if we compare it with future models, but other than that, front camera is 10 on 10, and well, quality of the photo, as you can see, is still very good. And if you haven't noticed yet, I have applied screen guard in the back of the phone just because of one thing, which is that glass. I mean, it feels so damn premium that you have to use that screen protector as you have glass in the back. I was kind of scared that it might fall, but still it's in one piece because of this thick sides. iPhone XS is also IP68, which means it can be in depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes, which is enough in today's world. And also, please don't even try to use portrait mode in selfies. I mean, it's not even real. Just look at this. Yeah, in rear camera you can use this, but still I would recommend using normal mode. And I remember this was in a developing phase. As you can see, some great results in iPhone 11 and plus, but to be honest with you, I don't use portrait mode, so for me it really doesn't matter. But for you, make sure, because it's not up to that mark, especially the front selfie camera for the portrait mode. So, there you have it, my video about the iPhone XS in 2021. And look, I'm holding on to this phone till 2022 for sure. If I have to fix one thing in this phone right now, that for sure would be the battery life. But other than that, I'm damn happy about this phone and wouldn't mind using it till 2022 because I'm not missing it out in anything. I have two lenses, OLED panel, Face ID, premium feel, A12 bionic chip, great performance. So yeah, from my opinion, this phone is still worth picking up in 2021. And if you have one, wait for iPhone 13. Don't upgrade so fast. So that's it from my side. And again, this is just my recommendation and my suggestion. With that being said, I hope you all like this video, and if you did, let me know in the comments down below. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.